Hi everyone, Bruce Minty here, Senior Product Marketing Manager at MYOB, and today I want to share MYOB's product strategy and direction for 2026 and beyond. And I'll also share our point of view on where mid-sized businesses are heading, some of the pressures they're facing, and how MYOB helps our customers succeed. Before we get into the product strategy, it's worth pointing out why this segment matters so much to us. Mid-sized businesses represent around 30% of the Australian economy, and they employ more than half of the New Zealand workforce. But the reason they matter isn't just about the percentage, it's the role they play. And mid-sized businesses, they're nimble, they're quick to adopt and invest in new technology, and they have such a significant influence across their industry, the supply chains they work within, and the communities as well. So in 2025, we welcomed hundreds of new mid-sized businesses into MYOB Acumatica across manufacturing, businesses like the Green Group you see there, also construction, healthcare. You can see there with the Braemar Hospital in New Zealand. They provide modern surgical facilities and perform some of the most advanced and complex procedures for patients. We also have ANC, who many people don't actually see, but who play the role of Santa Claus every Christmas by delivering last mile logistics for brands like Bunnings, IKEA and JB Hi-Fi. And then also in the hospitality sector there with Red Rock Venues, for instance, who own and operate some great hospitality venues across Australia, from PJ O'Brien's to Cookie in Melbourne, the Crown Hotel in Cairns, and Tucci in Perth, which overlooks the Swan River. So the businesses that we support together help feed our communities, help keep them healthy and entertained. So at MYOB, we believe mid-sized businesses are the engine of our economy. They sit at the heart of our communities and they're critical to lifting productivity. That's why we continue to invest in bringing new capabilities to those businesses. The focus on mid-sized businesses isn't new for MYOB. It's very much shaped our history. For almost 2 decades, we've supported mid-sized businesses through some of the biggest technology shifts they've faced. We've started by helping them move beyond basic accounting into ERP. We then guided them through the transition to the cloud, followed by then offering deeper industry-specific solutions to bring all their team onto a single platform. And today we're embedding AI directly into the platform as well. Throughout all of this, our role has been consistent, using technology to help our customers keep innovating and running their businesses in smarter, more scalable ways. Our research here paints a pretty clear picture on what mid-sized businesses are facing as we head into 2026. On the one hand, there's confidence. According to our latest mid-sized business report, more than half of mid-sized businesses grew their revenue last year, and around 60% expect to keep growing. At the same time, though, things are getting harder. Costs are rising, businesses are more complex to run, and teams are feeling stretched. The biggest challenge sitting underneath all of this is productivity. Too much manual work and too many disconnected systems are affecting that. In addition, AI is raising expectations even further. Customers expect faster, smarter service, and businesses feel pressure to adopt AI, but without making things more complicated for their people, of course. So how do we help mid-sized businesses navigate a change of this magnitude? Well, it starts with being on the right platform, being MYOB Acumatica, which is now the #1 ERP platform in Australia and New Zealand. So MYOB Acumatica brings together global innovation and local expertise, combining Acumatica's award-winning technology with MYOB's deep understanding of the Australia and New Zealand mid-sized business. As the paradigm shifts, our vision for how we support mid-sized businesses needs to change too. So our long-term vision is to be the core operating system that autonomously runs mid-sized businesses. So we're not limiting ourselves to traditional ERP. We're building the operating system that forms the backbone of an organization. So continuing to be an excellent system of record, but extending it further towards a system of intelligence and a system of action, becoming the source of truth that connects and performs workflows across the business. And the reason this is now possible is the shift we're seeing with AI. As AI becomes more capable, the system can take on more of the day-to-day work, freeing teams to focus on what really matters. So when we talk about moving from a system of record to a system of intelligence, we see autonomy as a journey, not an overnight switch. It starts with assisting the users, where AI helps surface insights and reduce errors while people, stay firmly in control, of course. It moves to collaboration, where AI supports workflows with recommendations and orchestration, but humans approve the decisions. And over time, it leads to autonomy, where the system can run more of the day-to-day work within clear boundaries and people supervise rather than operate. At every stage, trust is critical. As organizations move toward more autonomy, they need to trust the platform, the data, the decisions that are being made. As their guide on this journey, it's our job to build that trust. Now, in case you thought this was just my vision, waxing philosophically, of course, this shift towards autonomous businesses has been identified by other opinion leaders, whether it's Gartner or Deloitte, opinion leaders from AI Labs or AWS. What they all share is a view that autonomous business is coming and it's happening fast. Technology has a tendency to move in bursts, so expect this to be no different. Our responsibility is to help mid-sized businesses such as yourselves adopt AI in a way that you can trust so you don't get left behind. So how do we get to that vision and build the core operating system that autonomously runs mid-sized businesses? So it starts with our partnership with Acumatica. So Acumatica provides the core ERP platform. So an industry-backed capability and the underlying technology that goes along with it. MYOB then builds on that by localizing the platform for Australia and New Zealand. We add people capability along with critical AU and NZ specific functionality. And together this gives our customers such as yourselves a single platform that's globally proven but purpose-built for you. We've had an exclusive partnership with Acumatica for more than 10 years, and we have a long-term multi-decade partnership into the future as well. Unlike us, they are uniquely focused on mid-sized businesses, building software tailored to the needs of that sector, with the right level of functionality to grow without unnecessary complexity. And we're deeply aligned on their product strategy. Things such as future-proof, being cloud native, planning for decades, not years, keeping tech on your side, tech working for you. The other one there's around adaptability, the ability to integrate with anything and make it easier. Also, solutions that speak your language, so deep functionality within industries that meets regulatory requirements. Also, on the user experience side, it's not just a UI, it's a system you actually love to use, and an overall experience that is more personalized. And obviously an AI-first approach, so from the foundation up, which is there to solve pragmatic problems. And Acumatica continues to grow. The platform itself now supports over 10,000 customers globally. It processes hundreds of billions of transactions every year and maintains strong customer satisfaction. So that scale and that success matters, not only because our platform has the Acumatica in its name, but also because they give us a stable, proven foundation to keep building on. From an MYOB product perspective, we're focused on 4 pillars. So the first pillar is amplify the Acumatica platform. We want to leverage all the great product that comes from Acumatica. Key initiatives will focus on about getting innovation into your hands faster, delivering new Acumatica releases faster, and extending intelligence across the MYOB platform. The second pillar is prioritizing our partners. Our partners play a critical role in the success of our customers, so we're investing in platform-driven tools and services that make it easier for partners to deliver value and scale with confidence. The third pillar is execute the essentials flawlessly. This is about building that trust in the core, reliability, performance, and scalability, and making migration and modernization as frictionless as possible so that you can keep moving forward. And the fourth pillar is empowering our customers, and this focuses on adoption and outcomes. So helping yourselves get value from our localized products and enabling developers and ISVs to extend the platform through a connected, curated ecosystem. So what does all this mean for you? So our focus comes together in 3 clear product themes. So first, it's about AI everywhere. So intelligence built directly into the platform to help you make better decisions and take action. The second is around real-time visibility and control. So giving you a clearer, more immediate view of what's happening across your business. And thirdly, industry depth that delivers value from day one. So this talks about deeper, more targeted capabilities for specific industries, so you can get up and running faster and see value sooner. Our third theme is industry depth that delivers value from day one. So mid-sized businesses such as yourselves, you need workflows designed for how your industry actually works. And as you probably noted, although this is a product theme in 2026, it truly is ingrained in how the product is built and something we build on release after release. So in 2025, highlights included things such as inventory tracking improvements, lot and serial number enhancements there, simplifying project quotes and estimating enhancements. But coming in 25 R2, our construction customers will take advantage of improvements in project management with better document management capability, making it easy to organize and search and manage project-specific files. And for manufacturers, we're enhancing production scheduling with an interactive production view, giving you a clearer visibility of materials and timing across the entire production process. And for distributors, we're using AI to support smarter cross-selling and to help maximize sales opportunities. The outcome is faster time to value with functionality that's relevant from day one. And for field service organizations, we're introducing a new calendar board to improve scheduling, helps reduce errors and lifts service quality. And this is actually the first stage and a huge improvement to our field service capability.